Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, or back to the channel. Today we're playing Frigid Horror Games. Frigid Horror Game, sorry. So yeah, I thought it would be a pretty cool game to play, so let's just, without any further ado, start this game. Okay, question. Where is the strange spot? I'm assuming it's this. This doesn't look right. Okay. The boy is holding a baby doll, but its eyes are creepy. That's the least you can say. Okay, where is the strange spot? As always. Probably the fact that there's a head in her bag. That's not normal.
Huh?
That's just creepy. Why is this an ad? This is probably not how this game is in real life. Dun dun dun. Answer: a man's face is unnaturally visible in the picture, and it's not a ghost. That's weird. Okay. Where's the strange spot? Probably that this kid has no head. Yeah, that was pretty easy to guess. Okay, most of these aren't that hard. Oh, why is there a person behind you? Okay. That's obviously a person behind the girl. Where's the strange spot? I don't know. Okay, let's just move this. I don't know on this one. Where is the strange spot? Maybe it's this boy? Fail? Retry. Where is the strange spot? I'm gonna have to use a hint. Road. It's on the road. Is it the girl? That's confusing. Another ad, seriously. I don't want to get an AI. Just leave me alone. Sorry guys, this has so many ads. I might edit them out if I have time. The bus is moving, but there's a girl outside the bus. Okay, so? I don't understand them. That's weird. But anyway, find the strange spot. The girl has a bloody knee. Looks like she just got... It looks like she just got a scraped knee. It doesn't look that bad. Find the strange spot. Something looks off about this girl. Where is the baton? Maybe she's just running for the fun of it. Find the strange spot. Why do you have 3 mics, ma'am? Ma'am, why do you have 3 mics? That does not. Yeah, too many microphones. I don't even have one. I just record on my Chromebook. Where's the strange spot? This mannequin head's eyes being closed. That's weird. I don't need those many ads. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't want this. I don't want this AI. One of the dummies closed its eyes, and there's blood leaking out. Oh, I didn't notice that. Where's the strange spot? I would say the shoes, I guess. There are 3 people in this room. There are only 2 pairs of shoes in the doorway. Maybe one of them just doesn't wear shoes. Or one of them is still wearing their shoes. Where's the strange spot? Oh, these disembodied fingers, probably. Yeah, that makes sense. The mother does not have nail polish. Who does this hand belong to? Creepy, right? Where's the strange spot? The fact that the old woman is crying? Okay, what's weird? There's a present for you. Oh, it said there's a bike for a woman in a wheelchair. Oh, I just got that. That is horrific. Oh my god, who would do that? Who would do that to a wheelchair person? Please, nobody get a bike for someone in a wheelchair. That makes sense why she's crying now. Where's the strange spot? Excuse me, there's a really big car passing, and it's making a lot of noise. Anyway, I don't see anything weird here. Do y'all? Is it like your neckline? Your neckline kind of looks weird. I don't understand why. Her finger is covering up the camera. Oh, okay. Where's the strange spot? How this girl's holding her hands? Not very normal. Clapping by the back of your hands means she's already together, means she's already dead. I highly doubt that, guys. I highly doubt that. Where's the strange spot? Feral party. There's a woman here. She has shoes. There's this woman. Is it hands again? No, it's not. Where's the strange spot? I don't see a strange spot with this one. This one's looking. Wait, is it? I do. Close. What is it? Guys, no one cares. I don't want to just get that. It's not fit my genre. But do comment down below if you want me to see me play like random ads that I get, 'cause I don't know. I've seen people doing that, like playing a game and then every time they get a weird ad, they change to that game. Okay, I'm gonna need a hint with this one. Message. The message card is empty. Seems like no one likes this girl. No one liked this girl. Seem like no one liked this girl. Where's the strange spot? Oh, the fact that there's 4 people and there should only be 3 people in the elevator. That's not safe. 4 people are in an elevator but the capacity is only limited to 3 people. Someone is dead. I highly doubt that. There could just be one person breaking the rules, guys. Doesn't mean people are dead. People are dumb like that. The fact that these 2 women are obviously fucking, like, I don't know. Oh, there's the shoes. I was just joking about that one. They're going to jump off, so they have to take their Are they going to jump off, so they have to take off their shoes? What? Wait, what? I don't understand this one. Where's the strange spot? This all looks very strange. Is it this gas?
So, what do you want to do? I can go the distance. Oh
no! Okay, well, no. Actually kind of sounds like a fun thing to play, but...
I live in a box. We could play something, but don't be rough. So...
The house is going on fire by the petrol oil. Oof. Where's the strange spot? Oh, is it this woman only having 1 leg? 'Cause if so, that's ableist, I think. Is 1 leg missing, or is it the angle problem? Or maybe she's just got an amputation. People do that. Things happen like that. Is it the fact that you have a finger in your hot dog, miss? No, thank you. No, ma'am. Bad. No, no. No finger is not yummy. Oh, it's a finger. Yummy. No, no, guys. Do not be eating people, especially their fingers. Is it whatever going on around her neck? Because that doesn't look right. Is that an urinal? Oh, I didn't even notice that. What's wrong with that? Like, what's wrong? They could be trans, you know. You never know, guys. They might be pissing in a urinal. Just don't care, guys. It does not matter. This one looks incredibly creepy. Oh, it's their long arm, not their facial expression, isn't it? These are so cringe. Oh, these ads are so cringe. So sorry, guys. I might edit these out, but I'm busy. I'm like barely finding time to film anymore. Ooh, what a long arm. Ooh. My strange spot. None of these seem exactly strange, except how they're holding this arm. What happened with that arm? Oh. Okay, find the strange spot. Whatever's going on in your lap. This is how I cheat, and I'm proud of it. Okay. On the strange spot. The fact that you're eating an egg on toast. Eyeball toast. No. Gross, guys. Gross. There's someone sleeping on top of the lockers. At least hopefully. Oh, no. No. This is just weird. Find the strange spot. Let's just go sleeping. What's going on with those fingers? Is that normal for someone who's sleeping? Probably not. Okay, I know they're probably gonna say this, but again, trans people exist, guys. This is certainly a game that is not understanding. But I think this is like a some other place made game. I don't know if being trans is okay there. I don't know. But anyway, where I am, it's fine. And yeah, find the strange spot. So that you have an umbrella, but you're choosing to stand in the rain with this guy. No, just take out their umbrella, then y'all be able to flirt better. I don't know. If you had an umbrella, then you'd be super close. You could pull him in. It'd be so much cuter. Okay, the fact that this dude is obviously quite angry at this dude for poking him. I don't care about this. Oh, I don't care about this. Dun, 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 dun. She's an alien. Didn't think that at all, but okay, whatever. Find the strange spot. The fact that you're obviously going after a different woman than you're married to. That's just weird. This woman. Okay, why is everybody else like not like barely there? I actually need an explanation for this one. Strange pose, but cute. Confused? The fact that she's holding pencils like chopsticks. Tastes like pencil. The fact that she looks like she's rabies? What's this? I don't know what this is, but do I care? No. Teacher? Oh, what the hell? We're just gonna scoot past this real quick. Back to creepy things, hopefully. Why is the Eiffel Tower in the middle of your heart? Why have y'all made a portal to Paris? That makes no much sense. The fact that most of these people's faces don't look right. Okay, it's not that. Oh, it's the fact that there's a dead bug on the floor. Find the strange spot. Is it the man? Okay, I'm sorry guys. This is supposed to be like a horror. This is really supposed to be horror, but it's more just people bullying in this game. We're supposed to like find things to bully the person basically. I might have to end this short. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be me picking on that. Yeah, I think we're just gonna end this game here. I'll find a better horror game to play. I'll just post this in the meantime though. I'll find a better horror game and we'll play it next time. See you soon hopefully. Bye guys!